you doing? Hope it has been a great week for you. Alright, so quick one on Boom 300. As you all know, Boom 300 is my favorite that I trade. Okay, so I'm seeing some movement here on Boom 300, and so I just thought to share it with you the next movement of Boom 300, where Boom 300 is likely to go. Okay, so now generally the trend for Boom 300 is actually downtrend. Okay, if you know how to check the trend, you can you will know that Boom 300 is in a downtrend. Okay, I don't want to mess things up, but from my chart here you can see this trend line. All right, connecting two highs or two lows, you get your trend lines. Okay, so right now we have a trend line here connecting this top here. Okay, this top here, connecting this top here, and then this second top here. Okay, so if I extend this trend line here down a little bit, okay, you can see that the trend is down, obviously. Okay, you can see that it's down. All right, so now let me go back to my 15 minutes time frame. From my 15-minute time frame, I take my entries. All right, so now you can see that we have first touch. Let me quickly show you that. Here we have first touch of the trend line up here. Look at it here. We have first touch up here. Okay, because of the adjustment I did in 4 hours, it shifted in 15-minute time frame, but let's just leave it like that. Okay, so this is the first touch. All right, and then this is the second touch of the price on the trend line. This is the second touch here. All right, this is the second touch here. Now this is what is going to happen. I haven't known that the trend is going down. There's still going to be a retest of some of these levels that I have marked up here. All right, so what Boom 300 is going to do right now is to do three things. I mean to do three tests. All right, Boom 300 is going to do two things, but what is going to do within now and 2 days, that's 48 hours, is three things. And this is the three things. In the three things, is going to retest these two levels that I have here. So it's going to retest this level or this level. Either it retests this level or this level, all right, or this level that we have here. Do you get it? Now this is what it's going to do. So let me just quickly show you what you should expect so that you'll be able to know how to place your trade and profit from this particular analysis I'm giving you today. All right, so now I'm expecting this price, this movement, okay, to drop here. All right, to drop to this level here, okay, and possibly maybe to this level, to this green that I mark, and then by tomorrow, this line here is the period separator, is the one that differentiates the days. All right, so this is today, this was yesterday, and this is going to be tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow, all right, I expect price after this price has dropped to this level, maybe, okay, I expect price to come back up here, okay, and test this level. Either test this level or shoot up a little bit to touch this trend line here, okay, then testing directly this new high that we have on the left hand side. Did you see that? Let me show you that again. So I said that I'm expecting price, all right, to drop down to this level possibly, all right, and then by tomorrow morning come back up here, all right, to either test this first high that we have in the previous day, which is going to be, of course, tomorrow. This is the new high now, all right, or shoot up more to touch this trend line the third time, all right, testing this previous high on the this previous high. Can you see that now? All right, and then we expect that the trend is going to come down now. All right, going to come down. So this trend line that you can see, this blue one that you can see here, all right, is going to be my entry again, because I'll be expecting what's it called now, I'll be expecting price when price is coming down. I'll be expecting price when price comes down, all right, to break this trend line and then retest here. You understand, around this level. As you can see, my level here, retest and then drop again. You understand? So this is where I'll be adding to my sell positions depending on when I see market structure and candle formation. All right, so this is what I'm expecting, and I just shared that with you right now, and you should also look out for it. So if you know candle formation and market structure, with this analysis you'll be able to place your sell entry well. But let me show you another thing. The thing is, if price, all right, price can actually come and retest this area. You know how boom can be now. It's going to, so if price comes to retest this level here, which is 1934, between 1921 and 1934, all right, it's going to look like it's breaking out this trend line. But that is going to be a fake breakout, because that is what is called a fake breakout. But then we cannot call it a fake breakout yet, okay, because it might actually be a true breakout. All right, but how are we going to know if it is a true breakout? Is if it breaks this level here that is touching the trend line, which is 1960, as you can see from here. So if price break this level, all right, and then travels high to cover 100 pips, then the market is in uptrend. Do you get? So what will happen is, if price get to this area and then get to this area, what will happen is I will begin to, of course, you know what I do at this point is, when this price get to somewhere here, which is like the recent low, you know, on the price action, I'm going to place my trailing stop loss, okay, to around this area here, so that even if it's come back up, I will not be in loss. So what I'm explaining to you is, when the price, all right, if price actually get to this particular level, it's going to be like a fake breakout, but we can't call it fake breakout here. Like I said, we need to wait. So at this point, you need to just wait. Don't place your trade yet, okay? Then you wait for possible direction of the market to come to this area, okay? But at this point, what I'll be looking at for is candle formation. Like I tell you, rejection candle formation. So if I see a good pattern rejection candle formation, you know, I'll just place a small entry, okay, just to be in the market to monitor the price. And then when it comes down, all right, to retest this trend line, okay, then I had, you know, my lot size for me to, you know, ride the downtrend. All right, so as I was saying to you, the possibility that the price can still come here is valid. Okay, so if price come here and if price couldn't break this particular level here, which is 1960, the trend is going to be strongly downtrend, like strongly, very, very strong. Also, it can actually break this a little bit, all right, and then do like it's going to continue as an uptrend and then drop. So this, you know, movement up here that I just explained is just a way of the market taking out the sellers, all right, ensuring that, you know, we take out the sellers here before we come down. So you need to know these things so that you will not fall trap of, you know, the big guys in the market. So this is my thought for you on Boom300. I hope you enjoyed this. I would like you to subscribe to the channel. You know, I have a free materials, you know, in the channel, and I would like you to take advantage of it. Subscribe and join the Telegram page for you to, you know, see more of this kind of video. Thank you guys. See you in profit.